Hi guys, welcome to Photofix. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create this cool dripping effect in Photoshop in a quick and easy way. Let's go. First thing you need to do is to create a new project. Then you need to set the project according to your preference. Change the name to whatever you want and also the sizes in pixels. You can compare the settings I use here to make sure you get it right. So here we are, and this is our empty project. The first thing we need to do is to type in our text. So the name of the font we are using for the text is Plasma Drip. The font already has the dripping effect on the text. In case you don't have the text, let me quickly show you how to download it for free online. So just search Plasma Drip BRK fonts on Google, and then it will bring you some websites. Click on the second one because it will take you directly to where you download the fonts. You can see the samples here. Check it out and then download. You can see it has started downloading right on top. Once it's done downloading, go to the file, extract the file. Once you extract the file, locate where the file is, double tap on it in order to install it. You can see it's showing you the text. Then click on install, wait for it to install, and here you've successfully installed the font. Do the same thing for the second one. So let's go back to our Photoshop. So once you get the fonts, just do your typing and get started. So I've set the text to sit properly where I want it to. So now I want to increase the size of the first letter in the text. You can just highlight it and increase the font number. Here is the picture we'll be using as reference. So we'll copy it, we'll move it to our project file. We'll resize it to the size that is suitable. Firstly, I will select the object to take away unwanted backgrounds. After selection, I will click on Max. And then I will try to position the picture very well on the letter. I will reduce the opacity so as to see what I am doing very well. Once that's done, I will duplicate the layer and hide one under the text. I will uncheck it with the eye icon. I'll click on Ctrl and left click to select, and then select inverse. I'll pick my soft brush and I'll brush this way. Once that's sorted, I will click on the eye icon on my hidden layer back to see what I'm doing, and then I will move it out because I want to use it as an overlay on the rest of the text. I'm trying to position it very well to cover all the text. After doing that, I'll click on Ctrl and left click to select. And then I'll create clipping marks. As you can see, it has clipped on the text. I'm trying to position the image very well in the text. If you have not subscribed to Photofix, kindly subscribe and turn on post notification for more videos like this. Now I want to use my liquify effect to enhance the dripping feature on the text to make it look more drippy. You get what I mean? You can just play around with the liquify effect to give you exactly what you want on your text. If you have any question or contribution to make these videos better, or any question on places you don't understand, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply everyone. I'll pick on that exact brush to create an effect that looks like a color splash in order to add more color to the image. So I'll use blue. Yeah. And then the other one, I can make it green. I decided to pick the color from the image reference. So once we have that, I think that's not bad. Then I'll merge my layers and then create a gradient overlay for my background in order to have a background that suits the effect. I can check on the different overlays available to pick the perfect one. Let's see. Okay, I think I'll go with this. So once we have this is our finished product. Let me know if you understand in the comment section, and if you have any question, let me know as well. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to Photofix.